Good afternoon. This is Brian Kuzmar from Commercial Rare Coins and Precious Metals in Lauderdale by the Sea. Going to do our Friday wrap-up report for precious metals, and let's see what's happening here on the screen. It looks like New York closed around 1798, which for all intents and purposes, don't those swim in the ocean? Sorry. For all intents and purposes, it looks like we've kind of reached our 18 base here. That doesn't mean that we can't see a big hit to gold or silver or platinum right now, but it seems like gold's kind of built its 1800 base. It's going to stay there, although we could see it back off 1775, 1750, but I don't think it would stay there long at all if it does, and that's for Monday when it opens up. So I can see it staying around here, pulling it back a little bit. And the fact that the world markets did open up a little bit strong, or still open, and a little bit stronger than the New York close, leads me to believe that we maybe see markets around the same, up a little bit on Monday. They're showing really good strength. And again, I was surprised that it's made this 1800 mark and kind of held it for as long as it had. I suspected a little $25 pullback or $50 pullback. However, there's crazy stuff going on in the world, and this should not surprise us. When you do see those pullbacks, if you can trade and buy them really quickly, why the hell not? I think it's a good move. Buy the dips, as they say. Silver closed at 1898, close to that 19 mark again, but not quite. Backed off in the world markets a little bit too, which is kind of funny because look here, gold down a little bit, silver up in the world markets, and same thing down here. So silver is up a little bit, I guess, from this morning's opening. What was the low? 1861 and the high 1898 today in New York, and about 1852 in the world spot prices. So it's been quite a range there. It looks like. So let's see what happens on Monday. But I think we're going to hang on to this 1870 level. Worst case scenario, 1850, unless some kind of black swan event happens, which I don't see really. Platinum about the same, up a little bit. And again, I like these metals, platinum and silver. I think they're both underpriced. And I think gold was going to continue to go up too. We're in a good bull market here. Let's take a look at here. What do we got here? Precious. I look at Reuters reports on precious metals, and I used to really say, well, God, they must know what they're talking about. Precious gold falls over 2% as strong U.S. job data boost recovery bets. Really, Reuters, where do you get your gold information from? I have no clue. Whoever Reuters gold, whoever provides them information and stuff on gold, I'm sorry, they're an idiot. Job data boosted the price of gold. No, I'm sorry. I don't think there's a big correlation in that. It was probably something else. Definitely not job data. Where, at least I don't see it, and I don't think anyone with half a brain that follows gold sees that. Let's see, what else do they say? Gold sets for worst week since March 13. Oh, big freaking deal. Tiny little claw, down a little bit. Certainly didn't hold on to that high 18s. Silver faces first weekly decline in 5. True, but again, big deal. If that was stocks, they would tell you, buy the dips. They wouldn't even have a headline like that. But these people aren't too friendly to gold, nor do they know much about it. So sorry about that, just my opinion. Wall Street Journal, I'll take a look here and see what's going on. See if there's anything that we think might affect gold markets and silver markets on Monday. Dow Jones just treading water. Oh, it's a little bit above that 25,000 point mark right now, but it's kind of treading water. It's never gone much above that, a little up. It'll probably just kind of hang around there. I'm not quite sure what's happening. I'm not a stock expert. Amazon employees required to delete TikTok. A big deal. Nothing to do with gold prices. Stock shrugs off virus worries. I'm not quite sure if that would have anything to do with gold. U.S. cases hit another daily record, I'm sure. I'm sure we got more testing and more people have got the virus. I don't think that's going to have an effect on gold, but it does, because the longer they keep this economy closed, the better it will be for gold and silver prices, because they're going to just completely destroy the economy. And that's not good. And the Fed is going to keep pumping money out to try to prevent that, mistakenly, in a lot of people's opinions. Let's take a look. Is there anything else here? Not really. I think unless there's something that really big happens over the weekend politically or some kind of important event, I don't really see anything changing too much for gold and silver on Monday. And it's probably going to trade the same, $25 higher, $25 lower, about the same. And I know that's not really great advice, but I don't see anything big happening, and it's kind of hard to figure right now. However, long term, medium long term, and even short term, it depends on what you call short term. We're in a bull market. You're going to do well even if you bought on a higher day in the near future, or in the past week or two, a couple weeks. Well, anyway, this is Brian Kuzmar from Commercial Rare Coins in Lauderdale by the Sea. Call us anytime at 954-493-8811 between 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. And we do buy and sell all types of gold and silver products. We're very good at what we do. We know our stuff. And we certainly know our stuff far better than the guys you can buy online from. And you'll get better advice from us as well. So have yourself a great weekend, and we'll talk to you on Monday on our Monday report. Thanks again, and have a safe weekend. Bye.